Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing roasted potato recipe. They are fantastic golden buttery potato, crispy on the outside and a fluffy inside. And the ingredients are very simple. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are small potatoes cleaned well with scrubber. Add water till the potatoes are submerged. Add a teaspoon of salt. Cover it with a lid. Boil them on a medium heat for 10 minutes. Potatoes are done. Strain the potatoes and keep them aside. Cover the baking tray with a tin foil. Once you are done with baking, you can discard the foil and your baking tray will be clean. Now let's arrange the boiled potatoes on the tray. Using a fork or a potato masher, just press a little to break the potatoes. Sprinkle some salt on the potatoes. Some freshly ground black pepper. Drizzle some olive oil. Sprinkle some mixed herbs or any herbs of your liking. This will go into the oven. Preheat the oven at 220 degrees Celsius and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes are golden and crispy. Potatoes are beautifully done, looks so delicious, crispy on the outside and a fluffy inside. Do give it a try. They are perfect side dish. Share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, share with your family and friends and press the bell button to stay connected. Click on the left to check out my previous video. On the right, my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.